Alright, here we go. This is the maiden voyage video for the assisted band director. My name is Tony Hibbard and I am the band director at Avery Trace Middle School in Cookeville, Tennessee. I am creating this channel to help new teachers, especially in their first year and getting their first job. I'm in my 10th year of teaching, and if there are any older directors that happen to come across this video, you are more than welcome to chime in. The more help we can get these new teachers, the better off they will all be. I want to just give you guys all kinds of tips and tricks and things that I wish I had known when I first started teaching, and hopefully you can learn from my mistakes and my 10 years in the field of teaching. Another thing that I'm going to be helping out with is my wife is a color guard instructor, so she will be adding to this channel, giving fundamentals and basics for band directors that do not have a winter guard or a color guard instructor, and that will be very beneficial for a lot of you out there. The first full video will probably be what you need to try to do for interviews and how to get an interview and how to look for jobs. And if you have any questions, please comment in the comments below, and I will try to answer those or make a video of those. I'm just an average guy, just trying to help out all the new teachers they're going to be in the field coming very soon. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and let your friends know, and we'll see what happens with this channel. Thanks guys, bye.